Lewis County in central New York until 4:30 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of McKeever, or 12 miles west of Old Forge, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include